Hi, welcome back to my channel. It is another Saturday. Why am I talking like this? I don't know why, but hey guys, what's up? It's Brandon. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday, and you know what that means. New video. So today's video is going to be what is on my iPhone XS Max. So I recently got this phone about 2 days ago because my old one was a piece of trash and it kept dying like every 5 minutes. So I needed to upgrade. And by the way, that iPhone 8 Plus was literally 6 months old and it was dying in less than 10-15 minutes. So I got this baby. This is the iPhone XS Max, 256 gigabytes in silver, and it's absolutely stunning. It's so nice. And today's video is going to be the what is on my iPhone XS Max. I think I said that already. So, let's get started. By the way, I like totally forgot to acknowledge this, the Christmas tree in the back. I'm too lazy to take that down, and also looks really nice still. Right there, it looks really, really good and fresh. So I don't want to get rid of it just yet. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start recording, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on my sunglasses. This is what I do when I film videos with my phone and I have to screen record, so I can link it up, right? Okay, so let's get started. So this is my main homepage with 90% of my apps. So like here we have Safari. What was the last thing I was looking at? A YSL keychain. Okay. So that's Safari. Over here we have weather. Like right now it's pouring rain. Next I have my calendar, I have my photos. I'm not gonna open that. Camera, clock. Like over here I have like a million alarms because I always ask Siri to like do my alarms and stuff. So yeah, that's all my alarms. Excuse me. Next I have maps. I'm not gonna open that because then you'll know where I am and you're gonna probably come and kill me. Over here I have my Apple Support app where I go for like if my phone's broken or something. I have settings, wallets, like in my wallet. I have my cards. I have Ulta for my face masks. A bunch of old airline tickets. And yeah, that's it. Over here I have notes. Not gonna open that. iTunes Store. That's where I always get my music. But I don't use the iTunes Store app anymore. I always just go through the music app. Ooh. Best of the week, 7 Rings. My new favorite song. Then we have App Store. Then we have my folders called Extras. And these are all the Apple apps and the Holy Bible that I do not use. There's so many apps in here that I could delete, but like I'm too lazy to delete them, but I have so many in here that I use. So I have like speed test for my Wi-Fi, I have Find My iPhone, I have voice memos, GIF, keyboard, stocks, Sweatcoin. By the way, Sweatcoin's a really good app if you want to make money while you walk or run. Calculates your steps and it gives you money to put towards prices. Leave my link down below. You guys can sign up for free and you get paid to walk. Then we have Sonic. I use that for when I have to get water out of the speakers when I go in the shower from my phone. I have the 9/11 memorial from like 8 years ago. I have all these apps. Next folder I have my entertainment. So I use Amazon Prime Video, my Fios Mobile for Verizon. YouTube, that's #1. Nick, I don't use that anymore. CW, Riverdale. Oh, and Jane the Virgin. I watched those 2 shows on the CW, nothing else. Fox Now, Family Guy, USA. Chrisley Knows Best. Disney Now, never use that. VH1, don't even know why I have that. WeTV, Mama June from Not So Hot, of course. Mixer, gaming streams. TV, downloaded shows. Netflix, everything. Even Grey's Anatomy. E, The Kardashians. Zendaya, don't know why I have that, I haven't touched that thing in forever. Twitch, more streaming things, and I even stream on Twitch, but you'll never find that, what my account is. Amazon Music, never use it anymore. Hulu, used it once to watch every season of Kardashians last year. It was fun. Spectrum, don't have Spectrum anymore, literally canceled them after 3 months because they are the worst network on the planet. Sorry, Spectrum. Freeform, hardly ever use it because Young and Hungry got canceled, and Zeus, Lil Tay Show. Travel. These are literally all my travel apps. I'm not going to get into that. Besides, like, Uber, Reach Now. Reach Now is also a good app. Rent BMWs, drive around. All my flying apps. If I want to go to Florida, you know, when I go to Europe, there's like Europe car rental things. Cheapo Air, 6, Blackbird. Blackbird is for the app for private jets. So you can rent private jets and like fly around without like economy class and all that crap. Waze, all that stuff, rental cars, Hilton, for when I stay at the Hilton hotels in like Florida or somewhere, and JetSmarter, another private jet app. Socials, these are everything. WhatsApp, haven't touched her in like 8 years. Periscope, touched her like once. Literally never use it. Skype, hardly ever use it. Messenger, kinda use it. Facebook, always use it for the marketplace. FaceTime, every freaking day of my life. Layout, hardly use it. Gmail, use it every single day because you never know when YouTube's gonna come out with a new policy and try to take you down. Boomerang, no. YouTube Studio, always use that to check my stats on YouTube. Beam was the old Casey Neistat app that does not work anymore. House Party, hardly ever use that. Voice, use that for Google numbers. AdSense, YouTube Money. Fring, hardly ever use that. Can't even use it anymore. It's like disabled on iOS 12. Bitmoji, Snapchat, TikTok, sorry, I have that. Tango, never use it. Discord, like all these apps. I'm not gonna go through every single one because that's just gonna take 10 years. Next one I have is all my Verizon apps and my Spectrum apps. You know what? Bye, bitch. And you know what? We're changing the name of that too. There we go. Love that. Next one is photography. So I have like Color Cap, Google Photos. Literally all these apps here I use on a daily basis. iMovie, sometimes when I use it for Instagram videos. Hype Type, used it once because Alicia Marie used it. IGTV. I don't even know if anyone even touches that anymore. Everyday shopping. These are all my shopping and bank apps. Like Starbucks Daily, Amazon Daily, Apple Daily, Chase Need Money. eBay, everywhere, Poshmark. All these apps I use every single day. Especially my favorite one is, where is it? Neiman Marcus. I don't know where it is, but it was supposed to be here. And Chanel, Saks Fifth Avenue, go slice, order some pizza, make me real fat. We have my games. Literally, oh my god, I have the original Flappy Bird on here. Like, this phone can go for millions now. I have my Instagram. Let's look at my Instagram. Over here, I have my Twitter. Not gonna open that because there's things there that I don't want you to see. Over here, on my Snapchat. You can see my floor where I plug in my light. Like, here's my light. Here's you guys. Look at that. Zooming in on you guys. Hey. So I have that. I have my phone. Text message. I have my emails. I have 71,000 emails. Don't know why, but I never check them. Over here I have my music. That won't play because I'm screen recording. Okay, but yeah, you can see my Ant Farm album. Love that. Yeah, the music I jam out to is very old and very new. And music that no one likes. Okay, ABC, Grey's Anatomy, Barney's, shopping. I have all my apps here. Dosh, told you guys about that app. If you sign up using my code, you can get $5 and I can get $5. And I have to tell you I get $5 or I can go to prison. Fitness Pal, never use that. Mom told me to get it to check my calories. And you know what? I still eat like a horse. So, Aldo, Vine 2, I have all these apps. Dunkin' Donuts, Jet, another shopping thing. My Fuel Wars to save money on gas. Oh, there's Neiman Marcus. Okay, Neiman Marcus I have. And over here, literally, I'm not even joking. These are the rest of the apps. Like I had Wendy's for the first time this week. Oh my god, the 4 for $4 is amazing. Never had Wendy's before in my life, and I loved it so much. Should I do a Wendy's mukbang? Mukbang? I don't freaking know. Kindle, you need that for my ELA class because my teacher told me to get this book to help me with my book that we're reading in class. Hudaway Go for my GPS. Chipotle, also had that for the first time 2 weeks ago. Never had it before. So those are 2 new things I'm obsessed with. Algebra 2 for my Regents studying. And literally that is it. Oh, and my Park MIC for when I go to Manhattan I have to pay for parking. But yeah, that's literally it. I hope you guys enjoyed the what's on my iPhone video. It was really nice to make, just showing you like the innards of my iPhone, and you know, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I upload every single Saturday/Sunday. And yeah, I hope you guys subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video, helps out a lot. And comment down below what's on your iPhone 10 or any iPhone that you have. You can even go down to the 3GS. I don't care what you have, just tell me what you got. And I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye guys.